To begin, place the tail boot and the soft tail boot onto the cable in that order. Please note the orientation of the soft tail boot as it will be important later in the assembly process. Next, mark the jacket at 5 centimeters. Strip away the tubing at the 5 centimeter mark. Place the cable into the cutting jig. The outer jacket must meet the outer jacket limit. Make sure the 900 micron tight buffer is tucked into the outer jacket. Mark the 900 micron tight buffer at the end point of the cutting jig. Strip away the tight buffer coating back to the added mark. Strip in small sections to avoid fiber damage until only bare fiber remains. Clean the fiber with the dust-free wipe. You may have to tuck the 900 micron tight buffer into the outer jacket again. Fix the fiber into the cutting jig. Make sure that the end of the tight buffer coating meets the end of the cutting jig. Unlock the cleaver and engage it. Slide the cutting jig into the holder slot of the cleaver. Make sure the end of the cutting jig meets the clamp pad. Cleave the fiber. Carefully remove the fiber from the jig. Insert the fiber into the base of the connector until the fibers meet inside. You'll feel resistance once they meet. Make sure the Kevlar is fed through the opposite side of the connector. Press the pusher forward to lock the fiber and then remove the pusher. We recommend not discarding the pusher as you'll need it for removal or retermination. Flip the connector over, pulling the Kevlar up. Push the tail boot up and over both the base of the connector and the Kevlar. Tighten the boot around the connector and the Kevlar for 1 or 2 twists. Gather the remaining Kevlar sticking out of the boot and cut it away as much as possible. Lastly, screw the tail boot up to complete the assembly.